Hey, fellow Earthians, do you want to know what it is that governs the very existence of the universe? The ultimate law which the universe obediently obeys, considered by visionaries and scientists alike the secret. Einstein quotes, "You attract into your life a reflection of what you think." So don't you want to know that secret sauce to live your life to its fullest? Hop on a ride as we cruise through the depths of brilliance to open knowledge briefcase. There is a mysterious symphony to the world that we experience. Some call it miracle, others boil it down to simple, understandable science. Science can't answer everything, like what is the meaning of life? Is the universe finite? Does God exist? Are we the only intelligent beings alive in this universe? So, by the time we are finding those answers, we can believe whatever we want, but whether you believe that we are all in a game simulation or playing out parts in a movie made by some alien life without knowing it, it's all valid for now. The law of attraction, we will cover the points that will go in deep about the magic that we all possess within ourselves. Whatever you think, you are becoming that right now. The law of attraction states that we attract the things that we imagine in our life, good or bad, healthy or destructive, positive or negative, hope or fear. It's a great philosophy for life. Knowing that you control your entire life and its events, fluctuations is quite mind-maneuvering. Ever wondered why you find the word that you learned a couple of days ago somehow appears again after some day, or simply you read it again in a paragraph sentence? This is the law of attraction in action. Whenever you imagine something, you send a frequency of request to the universe. Universe grants it to reality. The universe loves to fulfill your wishes like genie from the Aladdin. Your wish is my command, huh? Wishes sliding aside, the law of attraction is the real law governing the world. Also emphasizing the power of perspective. You see the world as you want to see, not how it is.